Thank you, viewers. Thank you, everybody. Now I promote about sexual problems and solution. Sexual problems and solution is most valuable part of human life. So let us go. Sexual problem is great problems of the human body. It's harmful for anybody who's suffering these problems. His life is spoiled. He's not happy everywhere. If you give his enough money or give very good things, but his thought all time in he has this matter. He always thought he has nothing and sometimes thought for self murder. He is always unhappy, so he should live without this matter and always live happy. Sexual solution is very important for human body or human life. Sexual weakness comes from general weakness. General weakness is become all the organ of weakness as heart, brain, lung, liver, kidney, all of organs. Though we live but has mind that is always want to live alone or he want to suicide. So this person of this patient should go to a good doctors or good physician and counseling with him. Then he should live with his doctor's advice. Sexual solution: every man should keep body and soul together. So every man needs healthy or sound body and sound mind. Only sound body and sound mind can give his partners enough interest by all sides. Lubberly men cannot give mental satisfaction of his companion or of his partner. So every man become clever and strong and happy. Go luckily man of partner. Then his partner will see like a Luna. If he cannot easy enjoy her mind, then she become a lunchy partner. Sexual problem solved. Everybody should knows I am a stronger man. I have no weakness. I am always strong. Always I am happy. Than any other person. When a man together, he is fulfill or he is fooling person and he has no problem. Then he come happy, go luckily. In this time, he can gives full satisfaction of his female or female partner. Then he will be hero to his companion and enjoy her heart fully. Mental weakness person cannot succeed in life. So it is the great problem of sexuality. Everybody should know that he can happy go lucky. So she is go always smart and take smart dress and use to smell all of body. Then his mind will be fresh and he get over confidence to sexuality. He need to himself wash every day, fresh mind, live in a fresh body. Sexual mind depend on free mind. Free life is long life. Everybody should live without anxiety, depression, or other tension free life. Free life is called good health. When a man has many kinds of tension, then his life is an abandon or spoil. Depressive illness make a person lubarly, launchy, lubar, fool, and foolishman. So everybody should live without depression, anxiety, and any kinds of mental disorder. Although every man has many problems, but they should keep them outside the problems and got a good sexual interest or in sexual intercourse. Parents can solve many or sexual disorder of their children at the age of teenage. They can teach their children about sexual disorder. What is sexual disorder? What are the cause of this disorder? How can solve this problem or how can solve this disorder? These kinds of knowledge can get from their childhood education. Academical lecturing can solve this problem by orders into their books. We should need many books about sexual disorder. Certificately, it should function and news per newspaper and available his harmful side. Every man should line in good environment. That means every man should live in good environment. Fresh mind and clean air is good for sound health. We should live in healthy home environment. Healthy environment eventually a clean house, especially our bedroom should very healthy or clean and environment would be comfortable. We know that a sound body give is good sexual intercourse. A sound body needs good foods. Only good foods can make a sound body. We should never take excess hypogonadism foods which perish our body from our sexual capability. We should take enough vegetable, fruits, milk, and for good health. Good health can prevent all kinds of disease. Partners can solve many sexual disorders of their children. So we should live on good foods, good environment, fresh mind. Only good food, good environment, fresh mind can give us good sexuality. So we obey these rules of the sexuality because sexuality is a big part of human life. Today is more no more. See again after some times.